welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Maglearn. Today I'm here with the topic of goodwill, and we will do questions based on calculation of goodwill under average profit method. So we had done I had shown you the methods of calculation of goodwill in my previous video as well. So now we will do it with the first method, that is average profit method. So once we will go through the question first of all. So calculate goodwill at twice the average of the last 3 years profit. The profit of the last 3 years were 4,000, 5,000 and 6,000. So 3 years profit has been given, that is 4,000, 5,000 and 6,000. So the formula under this method is average profit into number of years of purchase. So average profit we have to calculate in this question first of all. So average profit, for that we need to get the total profit. So total profit here is 4,000, 5,000 and 6,000. The total becomes 15,000. So average profit here in this case will be total profit divided by the number of years, that is 3 years. We'll get 5,000. So goodwill, as it is mentioned in the question, goodwill at twice the average of the last 3 years profit. So goodwill here in this case will be 5,000 into 2, that is 10,000. Then we have the second question, that is the firm of A, B and C has existed for the last 5 years. Partners decide to raise goodwill account in their books at twice the average of the last 5 years profit. The profit of the last 5 years are as under: first year 20,000, second year 15,000, third year 5,000 which is a loss, and the fourth year is 2,000, fifth year 13,000. Calculate goodwill. Goodwill is 20,000, 15,000, then 5,000 is loss, 2,000 and 13,000 again. So the total profit here it becomes 45,000. Average profit here in this case will be 45,000 divided by the number of years, that is 5 years. So it becomes 9,000. So goodwill here is 9, that is 2 years at twice the average they have mentioned, right? So average profit is 9,000 into 2, that is 18,000 is the valuation of goodwill in this particular question. So you have to be very clear with the formulas before trying to attempt these questions. So I request you to kindly go through my previous video in which I had shown you the meaning of goodwill, factors affecting goodwill, need for valuation of goodwill, and also I had written you the methods. I had given the methods in the calculation of goodwill along with the formulas. So please go through it and then try to attempt these questions. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on accountancy, commerce, career guidance, etc. Thank you for watching.